Well, hi, everybody. Let's talk a little bit about an event that is going to be taking place here that you'll be able to see, perhaps even with the naked eye, a little bit later on this month, in the month of October here. So, of course, today's date is the 15th, and this will be occurring in about 4 or 5 days from now here. We got the Swan Comet that's on the way here. And the Swan Comet is going to be passing really close to Earth, one of the closest comet passages we've ever seen, as a matter of fact. And that closest approach will happen on October the 20th here. And it'll be at that point in time, perhaps, down to a magnitude 4.0. Now, what is magnitude? Well, that just is basically the brightness scale of a comet here. And if we kind of take a look here, 0 to 2 would be very bright. You see it in the sky, no need for any binoculars, telescope, anything. You can see it with the naked eye. Now, as you get into the 3 and 4, you still should be able to see it with the naked eye, but it's more of a diffuse, more of a bit of a faint glow that you'll see with that. And binoculars or telescope would certainly help you a little bit better with that type of situation. So that's what we're looking at. It's more of a diffuse glow, but I still think you should be able to see it with your naked eye here. Of course, if you get up to 5 and 6s and 7s, you know, the use of binoculars or a telescope is certainly something that would help you out a bunch there. So Swan Comet Vest viewing, again, closest approach is on October the 20th. It'll be 24 million miles away from Earth during that time. And right as the sun begins to set, or right after it sets, I should say, look west-southwest horizon there, just above the horizon there. You should be able to see it, but you're going to have to get away from the city lights, out in the country somewhere where it's darker. And again, this is a very rare event. It only happens once every few years. And again, something this close really hasn't happened before, so something pretty exciting to see with the Swan Comet there. Of course, we've got Comet 3I Atlas. That'll be interstellar comet that will be kind of passing by later on in December. Probably won't be able to see it with the naked eye, but you certainly will be able to see it once it gets out away from the sun here and get closer to December with the telescopes and binoculars, and that's something we'll be looking for and forward to in the months to come here.